Thanks for clicking through on our lovely little Polo. Comfort line Polo, 5-door, 181, automatic, 1.2 petrol. Literally just arrived in and look how clean it is. Whole are white. No marks on it. Wheels are even good. Scuff on that wheel. Tax till May, NCT until August of next year. Spotlights. There's the interior. Very nice air conditioning, automatic gearbox. The armrest, as you'd expect. The extra comfort in the seats, being the comfort line. So, give us a ring, quick video. Thought I'd give that to you quickly. Just in for Easter next week. All the best. Ring Nick here, 087 226 9787.